Ah, the black panther, a creature of amazing beauty and strength, is not a different species, but rather a majestic variant of the leopard, Panthera pardus, or jaguar, Panthera onca, depending on the region. My dear friends, gather round as we wonder the mystery and tale of the mystical Black Panther, the sovereign of the jungle, who roams the dense forests of Africa, with all the stealth of a shadow and the grace of a dancer. Now, when you hear the name Black Panther, you might envision those colorful superhero comics and movies from Marvel. But I assure you, we are into the realm of reality, the majestic creature that prowls the untamed wilderness. But do not be deceived by their mysterious looks, my friends. These animals are not mere cats lurking in the shadows. Nay, with their keen senses and lightning-fast reflexes, they are the true rulers of the jungle, moving noiselessly through the dense forest or grasslands, ever alert for the slightest hint of prey. They are as silent as whispers in the wind, their presence known only by the rustle of leaves in their wake. Quick question: what does a black panther wear before hunting? A sneaker. Coming back to the topic after the dad joke, even the mightiest of predators possess a softer side, a gentler aspect, hidden beneath their fearsome exterior. Imagine a black panther sleeping lazily in the golden rays of the sun, its sleek coat shimmering like polished obsidian. It is a sight to behold, my friends, a perfect fusion of power and grace, with a hint of playful mischief twinkling in its amber eyes. Panthers are obligate carnivores, meaning they eat mostly meat, as they are unable to digest plant material very well. Still, panthers will seek out and access vegetation for medicinal and healing purposes. They don't have Pepto-Bismol, so they go eat some grass or some leaves, and then they vomit, and they feel better. In terms of their actual diets, panthers generally prey upon small to medium herbivores, which vary depending on location, but include antelope, deer, birds, etc. Panthers use their environment to their climbing and resting on trees help them to hide and isolate themselves from predators, or to spot and ambush their next meal. Panthers are also famous for taking their kills into trees. They will scale a vertical tree, and they'll carry their meal up there. They're using those claws to hook into the bark of the tree and climb. It's ridiculous, especially when you think about the fact that a good-sized impala outweighs a panther, so it's carrying more than its body weight sometimes up a tree with its jaws. Panthers can climb trees, but they aren't particularly known for that ability, as they're at the top of the food chain in their native environments, and therefore don't have much competition. In contrast, panthers may have hostile and potentially fatal run-ins with hyenas or lions. Black panthers are among the most elusive creatures of the animal kingdom. Because of their stealth as predators, they've earned the nickname, the ghosts of the forest. Over the years, a handful of persistent wildlife photographers have worked tirelessly to offer us glimpses of these impressive creatures. The images they've captured prove that black panthers fall firmly within the realm of reality. If you've always assumed black panthers are a distinct species of a predatory cat, think again. It's time to separate the hype from biology. The term black panther doesn't refer to a separate species. It describes coat color. In Africa and Asia, black panthers are black-coated panthers, and in North, Central, and South America, they're dark-coated panthers. In other words, black panther is an umbrella term used to refer to any leopard or jaguar with an unusually dark coat. It's worth noting that, in many cases, they do indeed have spots. But you can't see them, due to the darkness of the rest of their fur. Even more astounding, black-coated cats are not limited solely to panthers and panthers. Scientists have documented the presence of these highly pigmented coats in 13 species of wildcats, including Asiatic golden cats. This coloration is the result of a genetic mutation in either the agouti signaling protein, ASP, or the melanocortin-1, MC1 gene. Both of these genes play a direct role in the distribution of melanin. The black panther, you see, is not a distinct species of its own. Rather, it is a striking variant of leopard and jaguar, adorned with coats as dark as the deepest night. Caused by melanism, which is a genetic mutation that results in an excess of dark pigmentation, causing the fur to appear black. This adaptation provides excellent camouflage in dense forests and shadows, enhanced with the panther's stealth and hunting power. Picture this. Amidst the verdant greenery, a sleek figure emerges, its glossy ebony coat blending seamlessly with the shadows. It's as though the darkness itself has taken form, a creature of power and fascination alike. A pseudo-melanistic panther has a normal background color, but the spots are more densely packed than normal and merge to obscure the golden brown background color. Any spots on the flanks and limbs that have not merged into the mass of swirls and stripes are unusually small and discrete, rather than forming rosettes. The face and underparts are paler, like those of ordinary spotted panthers. A dark pigment also common to humans. Melanin is the reason we tan when exposed to the sun. In big cats, the mutation of the ASP or MC1 gene leads to a surplus of melanin and their characteristic pigmentation. Interestingly, the extra spike in melanin is also responsible for their vibrant yellow eyes. We call cats who overproduce melanin, resulting in a dark coat, melanistic. Melanism is the polar opposite of albinism, a condition distinguished by a complete absence of melanin that results in an all-white coloring with pink or red eyes. To date, melanism has never been seen among wild lion or tiger populations, though albinism is well documented in both species. But while albinism makes life difficult for most animals, rendering them a target for other predators, melanism may come with significant advantages. We do know, however, that black panthers retain a distinct advantage over their lighter-colored counterparts when it comes to stalking prey at night. Predominantly nocturnal creatures, they rarely appear during the day due to visibility and a difficulty controlling body temperature in the heat. Because genetic mutations can have an impact on more than appearance. Scientists are also studying the effects of ASP and MC1 variations on other aspects of black panther health and behavior. Black panthers appear to be more disease-resistant. The appearance of a black coat may be influenced by other factors, such as the angle of incident light and the animal's life stage. For example, some melanistic panthers and panthers display totally black coats because the finer details of their fur may be masked by diffuse light. In full sunlight, however, the faint spotted pattern of the coat may emerge. Also, blackened or near-blackened coats may result from the retention of black spots from the juvenile stage, which may complement other concentrations of dark-colored fur into adulthood. Now let's come to their habitat, or where the population is more dense. According to the Black Panther Animal Facts, there are different black panthers situated in different parts of the world. But the most common habitats of these animals are basically in the hotter and denser regions of the tropical rainforests. Hence, most of the species of black panthers are found in the south and the areas of Southeast Asia. When it comes to black panther animal habitat, they are mostly found in major parts of Africa, Burma, southwestern China, southern India, Nepal, Indonesia, and other locations. The panthers with black-colored coats are more common in nature than the ones that have mostly light-colored coats. However, these panthers are really less common in the tropical parts of Africa. Ethiopia might have some traces of black panthers. The black panther in India is a very common thing. There is a reason why black panthers are easily able to reside in so many of the different locations, and it is that they have better adaptive abilities when it comes to habitat and diet as well. We are going to have a detailed discussion about the diet of the black panther right here so that people can have some information if they want. As our story of the black panther comes to an end, let's think about what we've learned. We've explored the jungle where this amazing creature lives, and we've seen how it moves with grace and power. But the black panther isn't just a jungle legend, it's a reminder of how strong and beautiful nature can be at the same time. As we finish our story, let's keep the spirit of the black panther with us, and remember to find happiness wherever we go. Wakanda forever.